Guys, take a look at this 1975 Lancia Fulvia 1.3 litre S that is for sale at Montpellier Motorcars. This car has only travelled around 74,000 kilometres in its lifetime. This beautiful car has had a full restoration, including a bare metal respray, and it also now features flared wheel arches and the 14-inch alloy wheels that are normally found on the 1600 HF models. It has also been debumpered, which adds to its quaint, clean body appearance. This car is priced at £24,950. Now for the sound of it.